You search for how to buy shares of Acushnet Holdings Corp, so here is a quick step-by-step guide. Acushnet makes golf equipment and apparel, trades on NASDAQ under the ticker GOLF, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need an online broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker GOLF to find Acushnet Holdings Corp. Confirm the search result shows the company name and the NASDAQ listing before opening its page. On the stock page, you will see a short company description and a price chart displaying recent market movement. Double-check the company details and the NASDAQ Golf ticker to make sure you have the correct asset. To buy, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle note: the eToro link is in the description if you want to visit the platform.